In this video, we will discuss skimming search results and how to interlibrary loan full-text articles. Now that we have our databases and keywords selected, as well as our filter set, it is time to skim the search results for articles that are best fit for our topic. Start by browsing the titles of articles. Look for articles that stand out from the rest and are of interest to you and your topic. Click on an article title to view the article record. Here you'll discover key information about the article, such as the authors, publication, year, and the abstract. The article record will highlight your keywords in bold so you can see the context they are discussed in and decide if you want to read more. You will also discover keywords or author-supplied keywords, subject terms, or medical subject headings listed on the record. Terms listed that you use for your search will be highlighted in bold. You can use these lists of terms to discover keywords that the literature prefers and update your own keyword search to find more articles like this one. For example, pediatric obesity might be a keyword we want to consider adding to our search. After browsing the article record, reading the abstract, and updating our keyword list with any newly discovered terms, it's time to access the full text to read the full article. Click on the PDF full text link on the left side of the record to read the full text. Let's go back to our result list and locate an article from a journal that we don't subscribe to. This article doesn't have the PDF full text link, but instead has a Find Full Text link. When you see this Find Full Text link, there's a good chance that we don't subscribe to the journal. We can, however, get the full text to you for free via interlibrary loan. First, click on the Find Full Text link. Next, click on Search Google Scholar to check for open access options. Google Scholar will search the title of the article. Look for a URL that includes PDF within it in the blank space to the right of the actual search result. If you don't see this URL, go no further. Clicking here will only bring you to the publisher's paywall. Go back to the Access Options screen. Click on Request via Interlibrary Loan. An article request form will appear in a new window already filled out for you. The only thing you need to do is click Submit Request. After 3 to 5 business days, you'll receive an email from the library with instructions on how to download your full text article from here. You can email ill@simmons.edu to inquire about the status of your ILLs at any time. I encourage you to take advantage of this service and request as many articles as you need. Sometimes the best articles are the ones we don't have. It is also your goal to find as much information as you can on your topic. The more evidence you have, the stronger you will be. Stay tuned for a discussion on citation searching, a supplemental search strategy used to find more research beyond the confines of keyword searching.